Hey everyone, welcome to Homes for Beginners, where I show you how to do repairs around the house yourself. In this video here, I'll be showing you how to refill the string on an Echo speed feed head. Once the trimmer line has been used up, the remaining line will either fly out on its own, or if the line catches on an object, it'll pull out. It's extremely easy to replace and can be done in about a minute. There are a couple different types of trimmer speed feed heads. One is able to hold more trimmer line than the other. Here I have an SRM 225. This one is able to hold up to 20 feet of line, regardless if it's 0.08 inches or 0.095 inches diameter. You can remove the head cap, just ensure there's no debris buildup inside which may cause issues. In order to remove this, there are two tabs on the outside which needs to be pressed in. Then pull the cap off. Sometimes these can be tricky, especially if they have any dirt on them. Once off, here it is. Clean out any debris inside if needed. Ensure there are no cracks or damaged components. These caps can wear out over time when they're banged on the ground. To dispense a line, replacements can be purchased. As for how the line gets installed, before the cap goes on, I'll show you how it runs inside. When the metal eyelets are aligned with the arrows on the outside, I'll show you this in a moment, the line runs through the square portion in the center and goes out the opposite side. When rotated, the line is then coiled up inside. As for installation of that cap, align the locking tabs and push it into place. It snaps into place and there should be no space around the mating surface. Now for aligning those arrows, there are two along with two eyelets. Rotate the bottom portion with the eyelets clockwise until the eyelets line up with those arrows. For trimmer line, here I have Echo's Max Twist 0.095 diameter line. It comes with a cutter. I'm typically not a fan of these and prefer to use side cutters instead. As for the line, you can measure this out by stepping on one end and going by your height, going between your arm span when extended, or clamp one end onto something like a handrail, then measure it out. Make sure there's no more than 20 feet, otherwise it can bind up inside. Once you have the desired length, make the cut. Feed the newly cut line through the eyelet. You'll feel it go into the center portion and out the other side. It is possible for a line not to go through the center portion, so take your time. Pull the line through about halfway, then match up the ends and pull it between your hands at the same time. This will center up in the head. Once centered, there are two ways to wind it up. Hold the top and turn the bottom, or hold the bottom and turn the top. Do whichever is easiest for you. If holding the top, the bottom portion needs to turn clockwise. Try to hold the line between your fingers when being pulled in. This will ensure it doesn't become twisted and it lays flat inside. Pull it in until it's able to touch the cut-off knife. If one end is slightly longer than the other, don't worry. Once you use the trimmer, it'll be trimmed once the head is turning. Fire up the trimmer and spin up the head to trim off any excess line. If you need to extend the line, give the head a hit on the ground to dispense more line and you're officially done. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home DIY videos. Thank you for watching.